Shoo. Yo, yo, yo. ¿Qué pasó, compa? ¿Ya, comadre? Ya, ya. Look at the comadre. She's over there hiding. Woo. Kayla. Can't let them see it yet, but new setup. What we finna do, Dylan?
Damn. As y'all can see, back at you another vlog. Got the boys out here, Louis and Greenville. Can't come down here, but.
Pásale, pásale. Se me olvidó.
Y'all like level truck? Y'all see that? Y'all peep that?
Nah, I ain't showing you yet.
This probably gonna be part 1.
Fuck it. Nah, I'm gonna make this a one video.
I can see how these videos.
Don't hate, don't hate. Oh yeah. All right, what we gonna do? How to?
Shit. We were gonna do a how to take off a rear bumper off of a 99 to 07 GMC and Silverado, but I mean, we did that shit kind of quick. But all you need is a little pry bar, pry it on the lip, where this shit goes, and it's out. You don't need to take off no extra.
Ahora, güey, ya la vergaste, ya, güey.
Ya se acabó el tutorial. Váyanse a la casa.
All right, so what y'all got to do is take two 18mm bolts off and a 15 on each side. Then you pull that motherfucker out. Now, you ain't even got to take the bed off. You know how some people be, you got to take bolts off. Hell no. It just catches the little lip right here and right here. You just get a pry bar like my boy Didi said. Just shove that bitch out. It's like half an inch. Comes out nice and smooth. Easy fucking day. Yeah.
One piece right there.
Yeah, y'all see it. Oh yeah, we're doing this before the drop. We had to do a little trimming because top of that bumper is hitting the frame in there, so it's making it not want to line up correctly. Other than that, everything's smooth. Compa putting in work. Yeah, you already know. These next though. Flip kit's going in. We might just do the back tonight because it's kind of cold. We had to wear gloves and shit. But yeah, got a new setup right there. Ooh boy, gotta get right. All right, quick little update. We're taking the U-bolts off. Gonna go ahead and take the damn pack out. Took some lines off already. Drive shafts off. Shocks are next. Them bolts are stubborn over there. They're tight as hell. Tell them,
Hey, piece of shit's over here. I never worked my left hand this much.
Yeah, I heard that. A little update over here with this compa Gio. He got that new bumper on already. A lot of fucking cutting and shit, trimming. Don't do this shit. Nah, JK. It ain't that much, it's just a little trim. My bad for the headphone users. Yeah, look at that Mama Lona. Looking good. Good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Remember I told you I was undecided if I was gonna paint the flip kit or not. Well, the whole kit. Yeah, I went ahead and did this. Woo! Y'all check it out. Ooh boy. Check that out. That's a flip kit. I still haven't done the front yet, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I painted that shit myself. I'll throw a little clip in. Did that shit at work. But yeah, wheel lights are off. They're hanging. Y'all check the paint out. Oh, it's gonna get painted soon anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the new setup. Woo. 24s. They got a little curb rash on them, but no worries. I got them for the low. Street tires. You already know. Oh yeah. Rear bumper's going in. Roll pan's gone. Shout out to the compa Gio for letting me get that bumper. And what else is different? Round body mirrors now. NBS mirrors are on Louis Caddy now. Body lifts off. Yeah, we're about to see how she looks tucking them 24s tonight. Oh yeah. Let me stop recording because boy Didi getting mad with that. Like he said, fuck that shit. He said both hands better be big now. Both arms, my bad. Let me correct that.
Because that like DHC chop shop.
Oh yeah, grandma's chop shop.
Uh-huh.
You already know. Woo. Don't worry about the tailgate. It's gonna get a fucking a little shave kit anyways. SS wing coming soon. You already know. Oh yeah. Looking good. Ooh. Oh yeah. By the way, Jill got the new setup in. He's just waiting on tires. Whew. Little update. She slipped. We ain't gonna do the C-notch today because we're about to go get fucked up. But anyways, there's a kit though. Y'all see it? I should have fucking sprayed my damn packs, but it'll be alright.
Rest in peace to the earphone users.
Dang. It's all undercoated, sprayed, not the fucking spray can. How I did the blue truck, but you know. That gray on it is actually sprayed, like I said. Yeah, my compa putting in work. Yeah, we're about to put in the shocks. Y'all see it? Nitro drop, professional shit.
I'm checking my shit right equal with yours. Yeah, you see how this one is shorter and this one is longer?
Yeah, that's
about that one's about like a finger and this one's half of it.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, I got it right there.
Like, take these bitches in.
Tell them what it is.
Ya tú sabes, aquí puro desmadre, puro chop shop. We do everything: lift kits, drop kits, paint frames, tent jobs.
Oh yeah. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the damn rear bumper. Woo boy, that shit's done. Got it. God. 2015 rear bumper on the Sierra. I don't know what year, so I can't say it. Kick God. Yes sir, yes sir. All right, we'll update y'all when it's on the ground.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Slow way. Yeah. Well, still got to see not anyway.
I gotta do that. Yep. Pretty much. Woo! There she is, boys. There she is. 24s.
Like that.
We'll probably continue tomorrow because it's kind of cold as shit right now. But yeah, that's how she looks so far. Bitch bottomed out. What is going on, you guys? This is part 2 doing the front. I might not do the driver's side tonight. I'm gonna have to wait for another day because gotta go pick up somebody from the airport. Well, my mom. But this is what I got done so far. I started around 7. It's around 7:20, 7:30, around there. But got the whole spindle off with the brake calipers and all that shit. I didn't take that off. Woo, that motherfucker's heavy. But yeah, next thing I gotta do is take the top shock bolt off. Sway bar's already off. Well, sway bar and link, and let the jack down. Everything should drop. After that, take the lower and upper control arm off. Look at the control arm. Ooh, boy. Yeah. We ready now. I don't want to bore y'all, so you know I'm not gonna record any like the taking on and off because y'all have already seen enough of that. So I'll just update y'all when once I got everything tied back up together. Throw the wheel on and you know drop it back down. Alrighty, so it's day 3. Well, really technically 4, but yesterday I didn't really work on it. Had this side done that night. It was just too late. I didn't want to, you know, I was running really late. I didn't, you know, feel like recording no more. So the back looks. Zach came through. We were gonna do the C notch, but yeah. Other than that, it's good to go on this side now. Uppers and lowers already in. Tie rods. Oh yeah. She's ready. Little update on Zacky's Tahoe. Lifted bubble on bubble wheels. Oh yeah. We'll go ahead and put these wheels on. Yep, there it is. That's how she sits. I just put 3 lug nuts on for it right now because we're gonna do the inner and outer tie rods. I just don't have those right now. Don't look too bad now. I was kind of regretting lowering it, but it looks all right. Just needs different wheels though. Don't really like those. Ooh, the compound cut. This is a week later, finally doing the notch. You already know. Oh yeah. Woo. Surprise, surprise, got Louis. Louis came over, but we got a problem. Yep, that alignment's fucked. He hasn't got a line since he did the lift. I think this one's bad too. Nah, that one. You already know. We'll update y'all once it's cut a little bit more. Got a little surprise for y'all. That boy Dilly, his cousin Ryan and Eric. Ooh boy. What it do?
Sir, we back at it. Sheesh, we done get down. What's going on?
You already know. You think we should show them now or wait?
They gonna see it anyway, so. Hell yeah.
Tell them they're going to the square.
Yeah. Second gear.
Hell yeah.
What's going on YouTube? Just got back from eating. I didn't even finish eating. I'm just halfway done.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a little homesick right now. I thought I'd come home.
Yeah, I showed him your tire.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Pinche Ruby. Hashtag Pinche Ruby.
Yeah. Yeah, you know. Got done with it. What you got to say, Eric? You better call them twins. God damn.
He's like,
God damn.
he ain't putting no shorts on? Or
You still ain't fix the tranny?
Fuck that.
Oh,
He's like, it's so truck now. Ain't no move.
God damn. Alright, enough of that. Whew. It's currently the next day after the last clip you've seen. Oh yeah. Grease the front end. We'll put grease in the front end, both sides. Finished up the drilling the holes for the C-notch, putting the bolts in, tightening them up, everything. Oh yeah. Muy bien. Shout out to the compa Gio for doing the C-notch. We would have finished last night, but the drill, the batteries kept dying and stuff. So we just had like maybe 11 holes more to drill out. So I just finished it up this morning. Y'all can see. Well, can't really see in there, but yeah. C-notch is in there, both sides. All that wrinkly stuff, it's undercoat. It's still drying, waiting to dry up. You know. But yeah, like I said, 24s, 24 by 10s on 275, 35s. Oh yeah. What y'all think about it? She looks good, or she was better lifted? Oh yeah. While we were doing the notch, well, while my compa was cutting out the notch, he went ahead and notched out the bed for me. So we don't have no problem with that. Alright, y'all be able to see. Yeah, I got lights hanging. I gotta get a new harness since this was for the step side. Yep, she used to be a step side back in the day. But yeah, notched the bed. PA, you know. Had to cut the exhaust. I'm gonna get that redone done again someday. Not right now. I don't have any money. Well, for that. Got OEM mirrors. NBS on the Luis Caddy. I don't know if I said that before or not. I might change up the front end, do a SS kit on it. I'm not really sure. Let me know what y'all think. But oh yeah, she's looking good. Good. All that is dirty because when I was putting the grease, I used a cheaper grease gun. And oh man, that was a fucking pain in the ass. So I had to go get a new one from AutoZone. But all that's settled, you know, all that's done. Got it done. It's good, greased up. Now I just got to change out the inner and outer tie rods. Go get an alignment. The tie rods should come in Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. So I'll put those in. Well, I'll try to put those in Tuesday, depending on what time they come. And after that, I'll get it aligned, start driving this motherfucker. I already took it for test drives and everything. It rides smooth like butter. Good thing I don't have to do the carrier bearing relocator on this. Doesn't have no vibration. It's pretty good. But yeah, now I gotta clean up everything around here. 24s and 35s for sale. This is the worst one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's ready, boys. She's ready. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.